At Diesel Power Source, we offer a wide range of quick spooling performance turbos. We have Wastegated T3 S300 turbos in sizes 62, 64, 66, and 68 in housing size 12 centimeter or 14 centimeter housing. We also have T4 S300 Wastegated turbos in sizes 64, 66, and 68. Our Turbonator VGT comes as a complete turbo or just as a turbine housing. It comes in either electronic version or a mechanical version. The Turbonator comes in the following T3 S300 sizes: 62, 64, 66, and 68. The Turbonator, as the turbine housing only, will fit existing T3 S300 turbos if it has the 71 or 74 millimeter turbine wheel. Both the mechanical and electronic VGT will improve your spool up time and run very efficient through the RPM band. The electronic version, however, will exhaust brake. Remember, you can get the Turbonator VGT in either a complete turbo or just the exhaust housing. The Turbonator is also available in T3 and T4 S400 body turbos. Here, you'll see a second gen swap setup, and here a third gen swap setup. It's available in sizes S467-7, an S472, or an S475. Again, the Turbonator can come as a complete turbo or as just the exhaust housing. So what does that mean? If you have a second gen swap with an S400, you can swap out your housing with ours, and now you have an S400 VGT Turbo. Hold on, folks, don't go anywhere, because we even have the Turbonator in T6 S400s. And yes, we are putting them on semis. The Turbonator T6 S400s are available in sizes S475, S480, S483, and the S488. Like all the other sizes, the Turbonator T6 S400 is available as a complete turbo, or you can get just the exhaust housing. If you already have a T6 S400 with a 9688 turbine wheel, you can swap out housings with ours, and you now have a T6 S400 VGT. So that's a little intro on our turbo lineup. If you have any questions, give us a call, email us, or comment below.